Well, the Mustang is back on all four wheels. We got the new power steering box in. This is all the stuff here that we took out. We got a steering column, the steering box, master cylinder, the motor mounts, the pedal assembly, the clutch linkage, the under the dash thing for the pedals. We're gonna have to put that back in, so I cleaned it and painted it. And the two front end assemblies, spindles, drums, brakes, all that stuff. Plus, we also, in the back of the truck and out of the weather, is the 6-cylinder engine with all kinds of new parts on it, and the transmission that goes with it. Yeah, replacing the upper ball joints. Bolt in, so. Yeah.
So that's a nice thing.
Yeah, this one comes with a grease fitting. I don't know where it goes though. Oh, there.
Yeah, there's a hole right here for it too.
Yep.
It's always good to be able to grease them. They won't make those anymore. The newer cars anyways. I'll replace them.
Yep.
I should put that on now. Not get on there. Good. Just like that.
Yeah.
Probably the easiest ball joints I've had to change in a long time.
Yeah.
Just take them, bolt them right in.
Yeah, I know. I've had some where I have to chisel off or grind off the rivets.
Yeah.
They're not bolting; they're riveted in.
Yeah. Oh yeah, those are no fun either.
Yeah.
Oh. Oh, yeah, I know, right?
Yeah.
That's what we want. You're supposed to stay on there, honey.
Maybe you gotta fill it with grease to make it stay on. Jack it up, don't you, to put the nut on?
the center leak on there still? So you put some new shocks in there a while ago. Jeez, cronies. Oh, it's a little rusty.
Yeah.
This one here is the fittings, the wrong size.
Oh yeah. It's a nasty old ball joint. It was kind of sloppy.
It wasn't bad, but it was kind of
Slightly worn. So now we got 2 brand new ones, so they should go for a while.
Especially depends on how much he drives it, really, I guess. You know?
Yeah. I think they were designed for 3 or 4 years at least of trouble-free driving when they were new. So
yeah.
I mean, you could drive back and forth across the country a few times with it before it needs replacing.
I think the only difference with this, with our area, is that it, you know, whether or not it was a lot of bumps and stuff, frosty,
Rough roads, yeah.
2 ball joints installed.
All right. Here's a complete exhaust system from a 6-cylinder Mustang. It's almost brand new. Got that off. And look at that beautiful set of brakes, all the new springs and hardware, new brake drums. So that's nice. And inside here we've got the brake pedal for the power brakes, the Ididit chrome steering column with a custom wheel, all the books on how to build a Mustang. And then out here we got the new power steering and the drag joint that connects the column. We got the power booster, got some new brake lines in there, and I don't know if I showed you the new motor mounts that we installed, but we got a hole. It's got to be plugged in there. It's a 1 3/4. I got to see if I can find a plug, because the clutch pedal used to come through, and we don't have a clutch pedal anymore. Yeah, so we didn't get it finished today. We got the brakes done on this side, but there was 1 spring missing from the kit and the hardware, and went up to the parts store and they said we could have them Monday. So here it sits until Monday, but I've got to get it in the garage pretty soon, as soon as I get it rolling, because the wind kind of shattered my canopy, shredded it into little pieces. So got to buy a new tarp. But in the meantime, just going in the garage. Got to get the Montego out of there though.